Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to draw an eye. And so first of all, you're going to be looking at the edge of your upper lid. And so in studying the shape, because like you have your upper lid, here's an example of it, right in this space, right? And then you have the lower space. You're looking at where the peaks are in relationship to each other. Are they directly across from each other, or are they slightly askew? So I'm going to study my upper lid, and I see that the peak is closer to the side of where my nose is. So I'm going to slightly come up right there, and then it becomes more rounded as it comes down. And then I'm going to create another piece down here. And on this side, the lowest part is closer to the outside. It's slightly offset from the middle. All right, and then it turns up a little bit. Notice I've left gaps between the two lines on both sides. All right, and I'm just going to refine it a little bit now that I have two hands again. So there's my peak. And there, I'm going to bring this one in just a little bit right there. So my lower part is right there. Okay, just kind of clean up that a little bit. Okay, once you have that information, you can create a circle to represent where your iris is. Okay, and extend that circle above that top line. And you're going to create an iris, a pupil. I like to take advantage of the paper and leave a white space on the paper that helps it create a glassy kind of feeling. And then because my eyes are blue, you can see the muscular structure in the iris. Those of you with darker eyes, you'll make these colors tighter and darker. And in this line right up here can be extended all the way, right? And then you can shade in on both sides to help create that volume. So this highlight will always correspond with where your iris is. So that's going to be a given piece of information. And then I'm going to move to a softer lead pencil. All right, and instead of drawing eyelashes, I'm going to press really hard so your brain can imply your eyelashes and selectively darken. So you can see how creating that higher level of contrast helps give more of an illusion of form. And then this line right here, it's actually more intense in this area, and then it lightens as it comes down, and then it peaks up again right in that space. Okay, and for those of you when you're doing your eyebrows, well, first of all, let's give this some more value in this region. Hopefully you guys already have some of this going on before you start drawing your eyes, when you have your template going. So, but you can see and then also I can study how the side of my face works in relationship with my eye too, and start to bring that in. And I can hide this line with the shadows that are happening in my hair. All right, and I can come in, and my eyebrows get darker closer to my nose, right, and then they taper and get fainter as they come out further away. So I would just use a short little textural kind of line. And actually I'm going to switch pencils. And actually, you know what, because they're going straight up and down, that's a mistake that I'm making, because I'm noticing how that's flattening my eyebrows, so I'm going to come in and erase that. And after looking at my eyebrows a little bit more, I'm realizing it's more of a textural line that goes in this direction. So kind of like on the side, and then it kind of tapers up right about here, and then they fade and get really faint on the side, over that way. And they extend a little bit actually beyond, so I'm going to bring it on out. And then return to my softer lead pencil. Right, so I can get it more concentrated again. Right in that area. And I'm going to use my kneaded eraser to kind of lighten what's happening closer to my nose. Okay, and there's like kind of like a little halo right above them, if you will. And then also, just to remind you that when you shade in both of your eye sockets, that's going to be what brings the bridge of your nose forward.